market is up on Wednesday, although having said that, there's still a lot of negatives out there, which makes this rally a little dodgy. I'm here with Alan Valdez from DME Securities. So Alan, we got the earnings out of Amazon, and they were kind of disappointing.
Right.
And we got the ADP payroll numbers. Not only were they lower than expected, they revised December down, I thought, considerably. So, you know, we certainly haven't resolved anything. In Greece, with all that happening and the low volume, it seems like we're not really setting up for a long-term rally here.
No, and I think that's you're 100% right. I mean, if you look at last year, we ended 2011 exactly where we ended 2010. So for all this everyday minutia of up and down, we're just spinning our wheels. I mean, you mentioned Amazon bad. We saw some negative numbers across the board. Then we had ISM a little better than expected. We had construction spending up 1.5% today. So we're getting a mixed bag, but in the long run, there's not enough to sink your teeth in. Like you said, investors aren't diving into this market. People ask me all the time, well, aren't stocks undervalued? Yes, they are undervalued. The main reason is we have no buyers. They're not coming into the market. They're still staying on the sideline. You know, last year, the markets worldwide lost over $6 trillion. So, I mean, that's obviously an unprecedented loss of wealth, but also it's a huge loss of confidence. I have guys, I played tennis with a fellow the other day. He's lost $20,000 this year alone trading. He's out of the market. It takes him years to make that back in this kind of environment. So, I mean, I think we're setting ourselves up for a mundane market, just quick trading, and you know, they'll take it up to a point and then sell it, then buy it back in. You see that traders aren't waiting for that home run anymore. That at the end of the day, if they're at first base, they're getting out, and that's what we see.
All right, and now, you know, we've got this, of course, this huge Facebook IPO that's being buzzed about, but that's not going to really hit the market until May. But you were saying you're hoping, or people are hoping, that that might get the general population interested in getting him back into stocks.
Yeah, we're seeing it, and I'll tell you, it could be a great IPO. If you look at, say, Google came out 67 times earnings. Facebook's coming out 66 times earnings. If you look at the balance sheet, Facebook actually has a balance sheet much bigger than Google did at the time of their IPO. So I think IPO could be exciting. I hope it comes here. I don't know. But I mean, it could be exciting, but it could give that impetus to the market. People might say, hey, let me take a look at this. We'll have to wait and see, but I'm excited about it, actually.
All right, so having said that, again, we've got a little bit of a up market on Wednesday, but there's still a lot of negatives that is keeping people on the sidelines.